Around 4.6 billion years ago, a gigantic molecular cloud of gas and dust drifted through the Milky Way galaxy. This nebula, rich in hydrogen and helium, was the birthplace of our solar system. The cloud began to collapse under its own gravity, triggered by the shock waves from a nearby supernova. As it contracted, it spun faster and faster, causing the core to heat up and form a protostar. The early sun, as the protostar, ignited at the heart of the collapsing cloud. The surrounding material flattened into a rotating protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, countless particles collided and clumped together over millions of years. These tiny grains coalesced into larger and larger bodies, forming planetesimals. The intense radiation and solar wind from the youthful sun pushed lighter elements outwards, creating a gradient where rocky materials stayed close to the sun and gaseous substances migrated further away. Within the chaotic disk, collisions were both destructive and constructive. Some planetesimals shattered upon impact, while others merged to form protoplanets, the building blocks of planets. In the inner solar system, where temperatures were scorching, rocky planets like Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars began to take shape. They accumulated heavy elements, becoming dense and solid in the outer reaches of the disk. Beyond the frost line, where it was cool enough for volatile compounds to condense, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn formed. These massive planets acquired thick atmospheres of hydrogen and helium, drawing in gas with their strong gravitational pulls. Further out, Uranus and Neptune, composed of rock, ice, and gas, also began to take shape in this distant, frigid zone. As the solar system matured, interactions and migrations among the forming planets were intense. Jupiter's massive gravity influenced the asteroid belt, preventing the formation of another planet in that region. The early Earth experienced a colossal impact with a Mars-sized body, leading to the formation of the Moon. This period of heavy bombardment, known as the Late Heavy Bombardment, saw a barrage of comet and asteroid impacts that shaped the surfaces of the inner planets. Finally, the solar system settled into a more stable configuration. The sun shone brightly at the center, surrounded by its family of 8 planets, dwarf planets, and countless moons, asteroids, and comets. From this dynamic mix of dust and gas, a structured and intricate system emerged, setting the stage for the eventual rise of life on at least one of its planets, our Earth.